Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Fat Cat Collections. And today I want to share with you guys another product I discovered on Etsy, and I'll put a link in the description where you can pick this up, as I always do. And this is another wall mount for a tablet. If you guys haven't checked out my other video where I wall mounted an in-wall mount, an iPad mini. I had the iPad sitting around for a while. I used to use it quite a bit, and with as I've gotten a better cell phone and a larger cell phone, I don't really use the iPad all that much anymore. And rather than having it just sitting around, with the battery going dead and then forgetting about it, forgetting to charge it, I wanted to wall mount it, which would give me something that I can not only check the weather, I can use it for controlling music downstairs, and I can just make it more functional. And you can leave it plugged in all the time where you're not going to kill the battery, and it makes a really great addition to your home. I can go over to it, change the lights, change the colors, whatever I want to do. I have kind of a centralized location for information. I put that downstairs. Another device that I picked up a while back, a couple Christmases ago, when they had the Amazon Fire Tab 7s on sale for $35. It's amazing, quad core. I mean, it's amazing you can get something like that for that price. And I said, I bought one for my mom. I bought one for, gosh, did I buy one for my ex-girlfriend? Yeah, I did. I bought one for my ex-girlfriend. And, I just wanted to, or did I? Pretty sure I did. And they were 35 bucks, so I was like, why not? I think I got her one. So I went ahead and got one for myself too. I was like, yeah, I'll find a purpose for it. And I just found that I never really use it at all. And it doesn't mean I won't, but after getting the flush-mounted wall tablet downstairs, the iPad, I started looking for ones for some of the cheaper devices, like the Fire Tab. And I found a company on Etsy that makes these. I guess he uses I believe he prints these up per need, or per order. And there's one that you can get for the Fire Tab. And there's several other variations that he can make for you. I asked him if he was going to make one for the iPod Touch, because I have a couple of those laying around, and that would look really good over a wall switch. But I'm going to show you the Amazon one for the Fire Tab right now. And basically, it's pretty straightforward. We'll go over, take a look here. Now, I am going to move this to a different location, or I'm not really sure yet. And I do have to fix it here because, unfortunately, I put it in a little bit crooked. So I'm going to do that later on today. I just wanted to get this video up and show you guys. And what it is, it's pretty basic, really. It's plastic. It sticks out probably, say, ½ inch off the wall. You have a couple screw locations here, but make sure you use a screw that's going to take a little bit of a set in there, because it does not come with screws. And because otherwise, when you slide this in, it's going to bump into the back of the tablet. And of course, you have kind of this indentation right here where you can run your cord. I haven't wired mine up. I'm going to tap into this box and wire it behind this wall here. And you have a side slide. Basically, all you do is just take your tablet, slide it in, and it holds it in place. This spot is actually for the camera. In my situation, I went ahead and basically have the tablet upside down because, and this is something that it depends on your home. Again, I think this would be something that maybe I might touch base with them and see if there might be a different method of doing this. But when you slide in from the side, if I have it upright, it's going to bump into the molding. And again, this is going to be dependent upon where you put it. If I were to put it on this wall, it wouldn't be a problem. But the problem is that, actually, would it be a problem? Am I looking at that right? Yeah, actually be a problem over this side. Am I going crazy here? No, that's correct. It would be a problem over here too. So it's a problem basically wherever you're going to put it next to a switch. Again, depending on your wall, if you were putting it molding on this side, you'd be okay right side up. Sorry, I screwed that up a little bit there, guys. But anyway, you guys get what I'm saying. You could turn it in the landscape mode, but it would look a little funny next to a switch like this. Again, it depends on where you're going to mount it. Fortunately, the device screen will flip around to whatever you want. The camera, I'm not really going to use this for any purpose. This is mainly going to be used for switches. And eventually, once I have it hardwired in, I'll be able to just have it on all the time. You can see like the switch control panel. So that might be a project for later on today. I think that it would have been a much better idea than if he would have made this with a top drop down, because that's where your buttons are at. So if you were to drop it from the top, you'd be able to access the buttons, where me, I have to access them from the bottom because it's upside down. But I think a top drop in would be a much better idea. Maybe there's a reason why he made it this way, but nonetheless, it's a pretty cool device. You can paint it to match. Again, it's not flush mounted. It does stick out a little bit, but it's pretty nice on the eyes, and it doesn't look bad. And you can see it almost looks like it was meant to be there next to the white molding. And again, if you had molding that's like black or brown or whatever, you can really make this match your decor. So overall, though, I think it's a great product for the money. Not many people make anything like this out there. And what I'm going to do, like I said here, when you pop this out, I like that it's easy to pop out, where if you want to take it around the house, you can. what I like about this thing here, you have a lot of room back here with a nice open back. So if you want to go ahead and cut a hole in there, I might even actually put a box in. And I think that's kind of the idea behind this. If you were to put this over an existing outlet, if you had one in the kitchen or whatever, you could actually just leave the cover plate off and just plug it right into the outlet and kind of, you know, snake the cable around or put an extension cord in there to tuck it where it's flush. What I'm probably going to do is just put in a temporary box, or not a temporary box, I'll put in a box. I also have that tucked inside the wall with a extension cord or a plug or whatnot. So I like that they did that. I like you have several mounting locations. I like the fact that you have room for your cord, because that's really going to be tucking around the bottom here and back. So I'll put up another video once I have this thing completely installed and I'll show you guys what I did. But like I said, overall, it's a really great product. And if you're looking to, you know, I mean, this thing, you may have one of these sitting in a drawer somewhere, and this is going to be a great way to, you know, get some function out of it. You can throw it in the kitchen, put on a little Netflix, whatever you want to do. It's a nice way to add a little bit of you know, streaming capability or control capability, a recipe, whatever you want to use it for, into, you know, on the wall, get it out of the way. And it's a nice storage location for it as well. So guys, let me know what you guys think. I will put the link to the Etsy, his Etsy store in the description. These are going to be running $30. I believe that's shipped. And I know it does cost as much as the tablet, but let's face it, the tablet, the main reason I believe Amazon is giving these that cheap is because it's advertising based. I mean, otherwise you could pay, I think, $5 or $10 and get rid of the ads. But still a great tablet for the money. And this is a great way to wall mount it where you can get it out of the way again and have it be, you know, I mean, maybe put some function to something you're not using anymore. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. As always, stay tuned for more videos. This is going to be my third one uploaded today. As far as what's coming down the pike, I forgot to mention this the other day in the video. Let me just go ahead and put you guys down for a second here so I don't knock you over. Hopefully that doesn't fall. I have coming in the mail a full-blown, for you guys who follow me for the car audio stuff, and car audio stuff's a little more difficult because it takes a lot more work to get it installed and all that stuff. If you guys haven't checked out my video, I love cars. I have 3 of my vehicles on here, and again, you know, they're older cars, but I love them. I bought them because I like the lines, and I'll never get rid of them. One's a Honda Accord, one is a Toyota Solara, and the other one is a Jaguar. And I love these cars, and I have stereos in each one. I'm a huge stereo, I'm a bass head, and I got coming in the mail 3 Power Acoustic Banff Series 10s, their newest line of competition subwoofers. I'm going to be running those off their brand new 8,000 watt, you know, 8,000 watt mono sub amp and a 4-channel on my highs. So stay tuned for the install on that. That thing's gonna bang. Again, I've been very happy with what I have in there, but Power Acoustic was nice enough to sponsor the video, so I can't wait to. I love their product. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for the new Vizio soundbar, completely unreleased to the public. That's going to be releasing probably around the 15th or 16th of this month. That thing is phenomenal. If you're looking to get a soundbar, wait. Just wait, okay? I've been very happy with Vizio products. What else? Oh, a couple watches coming, as you watch lovers know. I know you guys love that stuff. They're not going to be Invictas, but stay tuned for that. And guys, as always, have a great day. Let me know what you guys think about the product. If you have any questions whatsoever, I'm always here to help. Don't hesitate to ask. Do subscribe to the channel. Click like, click the bell to be notified anytime I upload a new video. As always, guys, have a great day. Take care.